In Spain, the national police dismantled a marijuana plantation set up in an abandoned club in Barcelona. They seized 37,000 plants at 5 cultivation sites and arrested 13 people, members of a Serbian criminal organization. The operation included 6 raids in 5 municipalities where, in addition to the plants, 25 kilograms of buds and 32,000 euros were confiscated. The plantations were located in remote urbanizations, with the largest installed in a bunkerized, abandoned club. The group was involved in international drug trafficking and supplied baby plants to various grow shops in Barcelona.